your mentor Muhammad Bilal, and today's topic is MAC address. Before we go to the MAC address in detail, let me make you understand what is the basic difference between logical address and MAC address. Basically, there are two addresses in computer networks: logical address and physical address. Just make sure that logical address basically means that IP address. IP address, what is the IP address? Internet protocol. Basically, when your computer is connected with the internet, your computer is assigned a unique address which is called IP address, which basically shows the identification of your computer on the internet. But on the other hand, when we talk about physical address basically means that MAC address. Okay, or your MAC address is the address which is of a network interface card which is installed on the motherboard in the system unit. Okay, so MAC address, make sure, is the address of the network interface card installed in your computer. So MAC address is not of your computer. Just make sure MAC address basically is the address of network interface card which is installed in the system unit. Okay, this is important thing. So first of all, what is MAC address? I want to make you understand one thing, the most important thing. Most of the students have trouble that basically what is the MAC address. Is MAC address of computer, or is MAC address of any other thing, or is there many MAC addresses in one computer? So may have many MAC addresses, but it depends on the network interface cards installed in the system unit. As many network interface card have in your computer, as many MAC address will be in your computer. Okay, so MAC address basically is the address of network interface card in the system unit. First of all, MAC address stands for media access control. I want to make you understand is MAC address consists of basically 48 bits address. MAC address is of 48 bits, but on the other hand, logical address basically consists of 32 bits. Okay, I will try my best to make the video on IP addresses very soon as possible. But first of all, MAC address, you are understanding 48 bits address, MAC address basically. Okay, MAC address basically in different devices, physical address. Just make sure MAC address basically is the physical address. Okay, so in different devices, physical address is called with different names. As we talk about in mobile phones basically this physical address is called in the name of media access control. If we go to the setting of the mobile phone, you can see there is a written media access control, and that MAC address will be written in that format. Okay, 36 A, B, C, D, and there will be slashes between different hexadecimal characters. Okay, so in different devices, the media physical address is written in different pattern, in different fashion. In hardware devices or in computers or in laptops, this is called physical address, or it is also known as hardware address. Okay, I hope you have understood this thing. The next thing, it is also called burnt-in address. Burnt-in address basically it is called a burnt-in address in Cisco devices, Cisco router or switches. Yes, in Cisco router or switches. In Cisco router or switches, it is called with the name of burnt-in address. Okay, so in different devices, it is called with different names. Okay, it depends on the device, what device you are using. Just make sure in mobile phone it is called media access control physical address, and in laptop or in PC it is called with the name of physical address or hardware device. But in Cisco routers or switches, it is called with burnt-in address. Okay, see. The next point is it is different in different devices. It basically means that media access control or MAC address is globally unique. It means that MAC address of different devices cannot have the same. In different devices, different MAC address will be assigned. It means in different networks, network interface card, there will be a different MAC address. Okay. So the next one is media access control, means a MAC address is of 48 bits. Basically MAC address is of 48 bits. 48 bits basically 48 bits basically has two parts. First 24 bits and another 24 bits. What is the basic difference between both of these? The first 24 bits are called OUI. This first 24 bits are assigned by organization unique identifier. Okay, this is the specific 24 bits which is assigned by the company. Okay? Basically this there is an institution, IANA, internet assigned names and numbers, which assigns IP addresses or which assigned MAC addresses to different companies, to Dell, to HP or Lenovo. Different companies have different OUI. First 24 bits have unique. It will remain same, it will not change. Okay, and rest of the 24 bits will be changing depending on the number of devices. Okay, so basically MAC address is of 48 bits. First 24 bits are assigned by OUI, organization unique identifier, and the rest of the 24 bits depends on the vendor specific. Rest of the 24 bits are vendor specific. It means these 24 bits will be assigned by the different companies, by the Lenovo, by the HP or Dell or many other companies in networking. Okay, so basically MAC address is represented in hexadecimal format, like this format, 36 colon, you can say colon, not underscore, colon AB, or you can say it minus as well, CD minus FE minus 60 minus 40. Basically in laptop or PC it is written in this format, or in mobile phones it is written in this format, or in Cisco routers it is written in this format. Okay, in tetra format it is written in this format, in Cisco routers or in switches. Okay, so basically MAC address is physical address which is of the address of the network interface card, which is installed in the laptop or PC in the motherboard, in the system unit. Okay, now we see how to change hexadecimal into binary. Sometimes a question asked in the examinations, in competitive exams, in PPSC or in NTS or in many other different competitive exams, that how to change MAC address into a binary format. MAC address basically is in the form of a hexadecimal format. So I have written all the numbers in hexadecimal format from 0 till F. Okay, this shows the hexadecimal format of the MAC address. Okay, so for example you have the MAC address like you have for example MAC address F E. Likewise ED, likewise B, okay, and likewise 5E, likewise ED, and likewise Okay, make sure this is the MAC address I have written in front of you. As you know, MAC address basically consisting of 12 characters, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. Basically MAC address consists of 12 characters. MAC address consists of 12 characters as I have written in front of you. MAC address in different devices consisting of different format. So this is make sure MAC address of any mobile, any laptop or a desktop PC. Okay, so how to convert this hexadecimal into binary form? So this is the simplest way of converting the hexadecimal format into binary form. So I have written hexadecimal and this is the final. I have already converted all hexadecimal numbers into binary format. So what you have to do is, so first of all you have to write a 0 for 4 times, 0 0 0 0. On each 0 you have to write 1, likewise 2, likewise 4, and likewise 8. Okay, so what number you have to make, just you have to write, for example you have to make 4. So what will you do? Just you have to write 1 instead of 4, and rest of the number will remain the same. So this will be equal to 4. Okay, this will be equal to 4. So this is the simplest way of converting the hexadecimal format into binary form. Likewise, if for example you have to make binary of 5. So what will you do? Just you have to add up 4 plus 1. So it means 4, instead of 4 you have to write 1, and instead of 1 you have to write 1. Okay, so this will be equal to 5. So this is the simplest way of converting hexadecimal numbers into binary format. This is the simple way you have to keep in your mind if any question is asked in the competitive exams, that how to convert this hexadecimal format into binary numbers. This is the way, this is the formula you have to use. Okay, according to this formula, all the hexadecimal numbers will be converted into binary form easily. Okay, so stay connected for more videos and for more interesting videos of computer networks or many other videos, operating system, database management systems. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Life.